Let me explain the 5 C's of marketing. Marketing and the 5 C's are a good guideline to make the right decisions and construct a well-defined marketing plan and strategy. As a marketer, we need to determine what customer needs we are trying to satisfy. Through research, we can gain valuable customer insights so we can develop customer segments. Secondly, it's important you understand your company's resource capabilities. You can do this by conducting a SWOT analysis to understand your company's strengths and weaknesses. Thirdly, competition are the key competitors who compete with your company and your industry. You need to know them in great detail, their strengths and capabilities. Fourthly, collaborators are our key suppliers and alliance partners we partner with to add value to our product and service offerings. Lastly, context is referred to as pest analysis. Pest is the analysis of the macro environment, which includes political, economic, social and technological impact factors. In summary, the 5 C's are a useful framework for developing marketing strategy. The basis of good strategy development is researching and developing deep customer insights.